Here's our version of green goddess dressing, starring lots of fresh green herbs. Use this as a salad dressing, or do what I love to do and turn it into a dip. Fresh vegetables work, but roasted vegetables are really good. If you love this recipe, subscribe. Now let's go make it.
To a food processor or blender, add a half cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream or use Greek yogurt, 2 anchovy fillets, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which is usually the juice from half of a large lemon, about 3/4 of a cup of fresh parsley leaves, a half cup of fresh basil leaves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh tarragon leaves. Then finish it up with a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions or chives. Now season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add a generous amount of black pepper. Blend everything together until smooth. By the way, you can easily make this dressing dairy-free or vegan-friendly with a few simple swaps. More tips are in the recipe on Inspired Taste. Use this as a salad dressing, a sauce for veggies, meats, or fish, or serve it as a dip for veggies. It's absolutely delicious. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.